Meaning of horse trading.
Horse trading.
Horse trading.
Horse trading.
Horse trading. Horse trading refers to the practice of negotiating deals through the exchange of goods or services, often involving compromise and bargaining. It is commonly used in political contexts where politicians negotiate with each other to gain support for their policies. The term originally comes from the trading of horses in the 19th century, where shrewd dealers would try to get the best deal possible. In modern times, horse trading can have negative connotations of backroom dealing and underhanded tactics. Overall, it is a common tactic for navigating complex negotiations and finding mutually beneficial solutions.